Hello friends, myself Nimisha. Welcome to ACE Academy.
Today we solve example of lesson number 2 polynomial of class 10th NCERT maths. These examples are given in your textbook. Example 1. Look at the graph in figure given below. Each is the graph of y is equal to px, where px is a polynomial. For each of the graph, find the number of zeros of px. Now, first question shows the graph of polynomial px. We have to find number of zeros here. Here number of 0 is equal to 1. Since the graph crosses the x-axis at one point only, that is at point B. Here this graph crosses at point B only. Hence the number of 0 is equal to 1. The second question also shows the graph of polynomial px. Here this graph crosses the x-axis at 2 points only, that is at point A and B. Hence the number of zeros is equal to 2. Now third question also shows the graph of the polynomial px. Here the number of zeros is equal to 3 since this graph crosses this x-axis at 3 points only, that is at point A, B and C. Now this is fourth question. It also shows the graph of the polynomial px. Here the number of zeros is equal to 1 since the graph crosses the x-axis at point E only. Here this graph crosses this x-axis at point E only. Now fifth question also shows the graph of polynomial px. Here the number of zeros is equal to 1 since the graph touches the x-axis at point P only. Here this graph touches this x-axis at point P only. Hence the number of 0 is equal to 1. Now about sixth question. This question also shows the graph of polynomial px. Here this graph crosses this x-axis at 4 points at point A, B, C and D. This graph crosses this 4 points at x-axis, that is at point A, B, C and D. Hence the number of zeros is equal to 4 since the graph crosses the x-axis at 4 points, that is at point A, B, C and D.
If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.